Leviticus about all the different rules for the different kinds of offerings. And recently we've been reading about the compensation offerings, the offerings you make when you know you've done something wrong and need forgiveness from the Lord. After you make the sacrifice, you're no longer guilty, you are forgiven. What strikes me about this is that even though there's all these rules to follow in order to be forgiven, the point is that we are eventually forgiven. You make amends, you follow these steps, and you are forgiven. And I think oftentimes we try and hold on to the wrongs that we've done. We say we're sorry, but we still beat ourselves up. We don't really believe we're forgiven. And especially when we're confessing to God. How often do we confess for our sins and hear that God has forgiven us, but then keep on living like we're still guilty? The amazing thing of what we believe in is that we are forgiven. That it's just that easy. We make amends and we're forgiven, and we're given a clean slate, and we get to start all over again. I'm tempted to say that's the end of the story, but really the forgiveness is just the beginning of the story. We are forgiven so that we can go out and continue on with our lives, continue doing the work of justice in this world. The forgiveness isn't the end, it's just the beginning.